And what's the deal? We are back with another video. Look, man, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Appreciate you guys for rocking with me. Welcome to the community, by the way. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers here on Alphas Attract Alphas. New channel, but I got a lot of value for you guys, all right? So look, today we're going to be going over 2 side hustles you can get started with, especially in summertime. We're in summertime right now. It's hot. There's a lot to do. You just got to go out and get it. Part of it is your mindset. Everybody's looking for the side hustle. Nobody likes their job. Nobody likes their job. Nobody likes their boss, whatever the case is. Everybody's always asking me, what's the side hustle? What can I do with a side hustle? And I know plenty. You want to treat it like a side hustle? I'll show you how to treat it like a side hustle. You want to treat it like a startup? I'll show you how to treat it like a startup. You want to just treat it as an investment? There's ways to treat it as an investment, but you got to know what you want. It doesn't work like that. Like, oh, you can't be mixed up. So let me give you 2, okay? Depending where you're at. Actually, not depending where you're at. You can get started regardless. And some of you guys might not like it, but here's the thing. If you don't like it, that means probably not too many people are doing it. Because the things that everyone likes, that's what they're going to try to do. Everyone wants to start an Airbnb business. Well, guess what? I know 25 people with Airbnb businesses. There's maybe 3 of them successful, just so you know. You got to start learning to do the things that people don't want to do. Meaning if you don't want to do it and the people that you know who are trying to work harder and start a side hustle don't want to do it, that means the person you're trying to help or whatever do a service for probably doesn't want to do it. So I'm going to give you guys 2 side hustles or 2 startups or 2 things, business adventures you can start with the low startup, and they kind of intertwine with each other. Okay. So number 1 is going to be trash bin cleaning. Right. And some of you guys think, man, I'm not cleaning the trash bin. Da, 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 da. Exactly. So how many people do you think, especially if you live in a neighborhood where there's houses, how many people do you think clean their trash bins? I know a few. My mom does it. You know what I'm saying? I know a few. But let's just say, for instance, if you live in a neighborhood and you walked around your neighborhood and you offered your service to 100 people a day, and you get 2 or 3 of those a day, every day, 5 days a week, 6 days a week, you're going to make a very good income. And I guarantee people will be willing to let you wash their trash bins. You give a great price, give something like $100 per bin. Actually, give $100 a bin, and then everything after that, or $100 for 3 bins. 33, 50, or 33, 30, whatever. $33 per bin, right? Most people have 3 bins, okay? Or you charge $100 flat rate. I'll clean your trash bins in and out. You got to get in there, clean it all out. And like I said, if you walk around your neighborhood or any neighborhood, you drive around and you go in, you knock on 100 doors, 200 doors, and you get 3, 4 people a day, and then you build that business. Now they know that you're the person who came in, you did a good job. They're going to refer you to their friends or whatever the case is, or they're going to put you down with your business card or your contact information for next time. Right? So that's one way. I'm going to give you something else that intertwines with it. Right? And I honestly think you could charge more than $100, by the way, for trash bins. I mean, you got to clean them inside, outside. Think about how much trash is just in there daily, sits in there over the years, just doesn't get cleaned out. You could be, you got to learn how to talk to these people. You got to learn how to break it down, how disgusting these trash bins are. Break it down to them. You got to also, here's the number 1 thing, man, when it comes to this stuff, you got to learn how to talk. You got to learn how to sound like persuasive, like, yeah, you know what you're talking about, like, hey, there's a reason behind it. So yeah, let me give you guys number 2. Okay. Second thing you could do, and I know you guys have heard this before, but like I said, they intertwine. So when we're going to these houses, a lot of these older houses, the number 555 on it, or whatever the address number is, and you can't see it on the curb, right? If you see those, in your neighborhood, but your main focus is the trash bins, just make sure you have the tools. Go to Amazon, go wherever, order the tools for it, and then you have another side business that you're able to get done at any given moment if you find the offer. So while you're doing the trash bins, if their lettering is fucked up, messed up, you can offer another service. Now, if they do the service with the trash bins, you charge them $125. Now you throw in the number lettering for $75, $200 a day on one house, right? If they want the service by itself, do $100, whatever, flat rate. Don't be surprised at the number. Don't be surprised. People will pay it. Break it down to them like this. You gotta learn how to talk. Hey, hey, Mr. McClanahan. Sorry, that's my ring. Hey, Mr. McClanahan. How are you? Da 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 da. My name's Jason. I noticed you have a beautiful house. The lighting's great, great lawn. Loving the setup, modern, whatever the case is. But I did notice, for instance, if you were to order DoorDash or order Uber Eats or something like that to your door, and for instance, I was your driver, I'm looking for your number on your house. I can't find it. Vice versa. You order an Amazon package, and the driver's trying to find your number to your house or whatever the case, and they can't find it. Now they deliver it to the wrong house, and now you just lost a $1,000 iPhone or whatever the case is. Those are just some of the, you got to learn how to talk to them and break it down. And believe me, you can get this done. And I'm talking about, let's do the math real quick. All right. If you do, for instance, just the trash cans alone, if you can get 3 houses, if you can get 10 houses a week, that's 40 houses a month, and they pay you $100, not including tip or whatever, that's $4,000 for a side hustle on the minimum end. Now, 10 houses divided by 5 is 2, but if you do 6, most people get addicted to a side hustle. So even if you're getting 2, 6, whatever, that's very doable. And then you can scale it from there. You can start charging. Imagine now if it's 200 that you're charging, right? And for instance, if you're charging $150 for the bins times 40 people, that's 6,000. And then if you add in the number painting, let's just say you charge 100 and you get 20 people a month. That's an extra $2,000. Now you're at $8,000 a month. It's all there, man. It's all possible. So those are 2 side hustles for you guys to start, man. I hope you guys got some value here with me. I want you guys to, stay tapped into the channel, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys, man. Hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions on how to get started or whatever the case is, drop a comment down below and I'll respond to you guys as fast as I can, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one. It's your boys, man. We over here with Alphas Attract Alphas. Appreciate you guys, man. I'll see you on the next one. Good luck, man. Catch me on the next one.